Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix failed to connect to the game ID equals 17 connection attempt failed Roblox PC. Chapter 1. How to fix failed to connect to the game ID equals 17 connection attempt failed Roblox PC disabling Firewall. To start, enter Firewall in the search box. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. After that, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Now check the boxes to turn off Windows Defender Firewall on available networks. Click OK. Chapter 2. How to fix failed to connect to the game ID equals 17 connection attempt failed Roblox from command prompt. To start, in the search box, enter CMD. Click on Run as administrator and click Yes to access. In the console, free the system DNS cache, run Ipconfig/flushdns, press Enter. After this, reset the winsock catalog, run Netsh winsock reset, press Enter. At the end of this process, restart your system to apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix failed to connect to the game ID equal to 17 connection attempt failed Roblox PC changing DNS. To start, enter Network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. Then right-click on the network adapter and select Properties. After this, select the Internet Protocol version 4 line. Click on Properties. Then, activate the option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the IP address you want to use. Click OK and close the active windows. Chapter 6. How to fix failed to connect to the game ID equals 17 connection attempt failed Roblox PC deleting cookies. To start, open Chrome, click on the menu and select Settings. After this, in Privacy and Security, click on Third-Party Cookies. Then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. You are going to search for Roblox, click on the trash icon and click Delete to complete this process. Chapter 5. How to fix failed to connect to the game ID equals 17 connection attempt failed Roblox PC deleting folder. To start, in the search box, enter %app data %, click on File folder. Here in the Explorer, select the Roblox folder and click Delete. Chapter 4. How to fix failed to connect to the game ID equal to 17 connection attempt failed Roblox PC adjusting browser privacy. To get started, open Google Chrome, click on the menu and select Settings. After that, in Privacy and Security, click on Security. In this window, activate or confirm that the selected option is Standard Protection. Chapter 7. How to fix failed to connect to the game ID equals 17 connection attempt failed Roblox PC setting up shortcut. To start, right-click on the Roblox shortcut, select Properties. After this, in the Compatibility tab, check the box, Run this program as an administrator, click Apply and OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.